Hey everybody, in this episode we're going to unbox a Lang Bonsai pot. Oh, so for the intro, you guys heard this is like actually an unboxing of a Lang bonsai container, or bonsai pot in this case. If you don't know who Lang is, I'm going to put some images and some information in the description below about Lang. He is a ceramicist. He's currently retired, and this whole deal came about is when I was filming Michael Roberts and Jonathan G, I said I was interested in Lang's pots for years, inspired by some of his really cool slab pots. And then I noticed that he actually posts something on Facebook, really active in Facebook. And then they both told me, he's like, you know, he retired. I went, what? And this is like back-to-back weekends basically, or within 2 weeks of each other. So I did go on his website, and then most of his inventory is actually sold out. And I was kind of bummed out until I looked and I kind of like went through every single link. I did find one pot that I was totally digging, and that's this guy right here. It is slab number 46. If you look at the webpage, I did pay for that price. I never paid for an expensive pot in my lifetime. This is one of my most expensive pot. And just because A is big time, he's retired. He's not making any more pots, so I can't get a custom pot from him anymore. But more importantly, it's one of the pots that inspires me to be a better artist. Because lots of times when you're putting trees together or putting these scenes together, the tree has to match the pot. In this case, I know a tree for this pot already, so that's kind of the reason why I got this one. So let me show you some pictures of his website. Right now, he is selling out of what he has. So if you look at his webpage, and we go through it really quick, he has, I don't think he has much left. I think this is the last large pot that he had left in the inventory, if I'm correct. I think I did get this last one. He kind of sent a message. I emailed him, said, yeah, this is one of my last largest pot. And I'm kind of honored on that because it was meant to be. But he does have some Kuzumoto left. He does have a wife, Sharon. She's also a ceramicist and an artist too. She has some items there for sale also, if you want to look at that. But yeah, this is slab number 46. Let me click on number 46 for you guys. If you look at that, yes, I did pay for that price, and I do have that pot. It's a little smaller than I actually need, but it'll work. I have a tree for it. I think I have a tree for it. If not, I will make a tree. I'll make something that'll work with this pot. But yeah, let me unbox it and give him a call. You never know, or give him an email. You never know. You might have more pots eventually because he just retired. I feel for the guy, but I'm honored to be able to acquire one of his pots. And of course, you saw Ryan Neal's unboxing. Ryan Neal's had lots of his pots at one point. I think he's the only artist that I know that actually had a full collection of Lang pots. But I'm totally inspired. So let's get back to this. So this has been sitting like in my living room for about a week and a half. And I was debating if I want to put a video together. It's like one of those toys you get. This is one, yeah. So let me. It's like well boxed. Dude, look how big this thing. You know, it's well put together. FedEx. It's kind of funny because I sent my money over and I'm like, hope I get my pot. He gave me a bill. Literally, I gave him an email and he came back really quick. And the response was like minutes. I don't need tools. I don't look at that. So I gave him an email within like a day, less than a day. He came back and says, "Hey, I still got slab 46. You want it? It's yours. I'll send you a bill immediately, and I paid it. PayPal of all things, PayPal of all things. Everybody uses Venmo or these other new electronic paying devices, but they're all. Oh, he made his pot. He made this. He made He made the box. It's a custom box too. Ron Lang is from, I think I remember his bio, from North Carolina. He was a ceramicist for, I think, the University of Wisconsin. Look, double bag. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Put it on the chair. Don't put it on the chair. Put it on the floor. Well bought. Look at that. Well bought. Look at that. Foam and everything. Awesome. Ooh, yeah. You know, it's like Christmas all over. You know, you just have pictures, or it's like you're adopting a puppy for the first time. You want to have these pictures, or like online dating. You know, buying pots these days. That's not custom. It's almost like it's online dating. You know, it's kind of cheese. Here's a photo, and hopefully get something that you're really looking for. Ooh. I gotta admit, this container is well put together. Thank you, Ron, if you're watching it. You did an awesome packing job. I think after almost 20 years in the ceramic business. Oh my God, it's heavy. Oh my God, it's heavy. Wow, double color box too. I don't have scissors. I'm gonna go get scissors. I'll be back. I got excited. Got scissors. All right, so well packaged. Yeah, I don't do these videos very often. I don't do like unboxing videos, but come on, you know, once a lifetime pot, you gotta do it. Ooh, I see the pot. So I'm in my atrium. If you watched the club videos before, this is my atrium. I have my dog staring at me, going, "What is the master going crazy on?" All right, here we go. Look at the color. Oh wow. It's stunning. It is absolutely stunning. That color. Oh my, I'm speechless. This is classic Ron Lang. This is like me. So, it's a slab pot. So, think about, you know, those granite slab, very slab pot. Large, probably about 24 inches, looks like 18 on this way. But the edging, you gotta look at this profile. I'll come to the camera so you look at this profile. Color is like a metallic rust red, which is really cool. Look at that profile. So this is classic Ron Lang. Look at that profile. Okay, it's like that. This is handmade. Look at that profile. It looks like rocks or like granite slab, or with the red hue underneath. It's like that iron rust hue, which is really cool. Look at that. It's cool. Check that edging out. That's really cool. And then that's the way it's supported underneath. So it's really cool support underneath. SER I wonder what SCR stands for. That's so interesting. I wonder what that. No chop. Let me look at it. No chop. No date. Handwritten note there. Looked like the glaze ran on the backside. At what point? Looks like a firing crack, but that just adds to that really cool. Look at that. That's awesome. I'm excited. It's heavy. It's big. You know, nice tree, off-centered, with a long negative space or branch. More towards the front corner or the back corner, like this right here. Yeah. There you go, guys. Really quick video. Unboxing Ron Lang. It's beautiful. You know, honestly, I wish I picked one earlier. I wish I made one custom. This is so awesome. I'm honored. I mean, never use this. It's so well done. Well, there you go, guys. If you like the video, like, subscribe. If you're gonna leave a comment, be my guest. Talk about ceramics. If you got another ceramicist you guys want me to purchase some pots from and do unboxing and do a real quick commenting. Yeah, give me some suggestions, or if you're an artist yourself, you like me to critique or review your product, I don't mind doing it. But this is Ron Lang. You have outdone yourself. Thank you so much, Ron. I am honored to be able to acquire one of your last big pots. Awesome, guys. I'll see you guys later. Jeez, this is beautiful. Hope Caroline doesn't watch this video because I paid way too much for it. So here's a quick update. I know this is like the pro script video. So what oh my goodness, heavy. With more digging, SCR, finally figured it is. Duh. It's Ron Lang's wife, Sharon Edward Russell. I think this is her product, so I'm even more honored to have her product that's not really like advertised. So awesome. I might have to pick another Ron Lang pot now, just so I want to get his collection, but I got something better, I think. If Sharon or Lang, if you'd like to respond to this, be great. I'll see you guys later.